Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my concert. This song is for all my fans. This beautiful morning, I sing with all my heart.
Oliver, it's breakfast.
Ah!
My coffee!
Not again!
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Meet Oliver, the future superstar. He loves singing all the time.
And I mean all the time. Thank you, New York! I love you all! I love you all!
Can breakfast be your last concert today?
Thank you, my #1 fan! Yay!
Ma,
I can hear your excitement.
I was yawning.
Oliver! I love you all! This is my dream! My fans love me!
That's your dirty sock.
It's still love. Thank you! You've been amazing!
Can I go play now?
No encore? Go!
Does he ever stop?
No, never.
Oh, Oliver.
This song is dedicated to all my fans! Oh, I'm telling Mom. Cleaning my room. Cleaning with style.
At least he's cleaning.
Huh? Welcome, everybody! Let's rock!
It was a mop.
This lunch song
Oh no.
is dedicated
Here we go
to
again.
my beautiful family. And I will always love...
Oliver!
What?
No.
Oliver.
Not in the car.
Thunder! Hello, my fans! Thank you for supporting me. I'm singing so loud. And now I am...
Oliver,
Yes?
please,
Please?
use your indoor voice.
Operation Stop Oliver.
This is my mission. Welcome, everybody! Tonight's concert is inside a supermarket.
Oh no!
Attention shoppers. They announced me! Special discount on apples today. My concert is starting! My fans are there.
They're staring, not cheering.
Mission complete. Thank you, microphone number 2.
Operation Stop Oliver failed.
Thank you. I'll be here all week. A new stage, a new audience. This is perfect.
Oh no.
Not again. For the glory. Wow. They loved my song.
They ran away.
A singing fan. Us winning. What?
I think the dog is winning.
He's funny. My audience is growing.
This is getting bigger.
Thank you for joining today's meeting.
Ooh, a spotlight. No.
And our next project,
Oh, soaring high alone, reaching for the sky.
I'm so Son thinks he's a famous singer.
Honestly, he's pretty confident.
Thank you.
This is it. The final solution. Operation Stop Oliver will succeed.
Singing Zune, my favorite song.
No!
He's unstoppable.
I tried.
No singing Zune.
I really tried.
No singing Zune.
Finally. This is perfect.
Dad! Are you done yet, Dad? We need you!
Strength. This next song is for my biggest fan, Dad.
I am not your biggest fan.
Dad!
You win.
I'd like to thank my family, me.
La 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 la, it's my own melody.
Oh, he really loves music.
I just like singing. It makes me happy.
Do you really love music?
More than anything. One day, I want to sing on a real stage. We'll smile.
That's a beautiful dream. Music is beautiful, but timing matters. Sometimes, the best thing we can do is listen.
I understand.
5 minutes.
He's struggling. It's so quiet.
Too quiet.
I kind of miss the singing.
This dragon eats pizza.
That's amazing.
You actually listened.
I know what to do. Huh? This concert is for everyone.
Wait, I get to form too?
This will be the best concert ever. For everyone.
I'll be a dancing superstar. Ah!
Maybe spin a little slower.
Still got it. Maybe.
Dad plays guitar?
We only get one chance. Let's make it special. Let's make it special.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Listen to me! It's our concert.
Now that's music.
Oh, wow. People actually came.
Told you. What if I mess up?
You won't. And even if you do, we'll cheer for you.
We'll cheer for you.
To family concert night. Tonight, we all shine together. You're amazing.
I used to practice every day.
This is better. Much better.
We're a team. I can do it. Go, Lily! You're amazing!
perfect. This is what music should feel like.
Now I understand. Music is sharing. This song is for my family. And for our fans. And for our fans.
Bravo! We did it!
Together. Always together.
Look at that.
We all work together, so we all clean together.
Good night, Lily. Sleep well tonight. That one was nice. I don't need these anymore.
Really?
Really.